What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Dude, and I'm back with another video, man. Today's video gonna be a little different, bro. I got like some packages I want to open up with y'all, man. I ain't gonna lie, I ordered like, I want to say 10 things in like 1 week. I think I spent about $400-500. It was just some stuff that I needed, and also some stuff that I wanted, and also like a gift that my one of my family members wanted. But yeah, man, let me show y'all what I got. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got like 5 or 6 things in that box right there, the bottom box. But yeah, let's get into these videos, man. I ain't gonna lie, I ordered some of this stuff I ordered different times, but the box that came with all the stuff I ordered all together. Bored, seeing stuff that I only want and able to afford it feels good whenever you can get it. But each thing I purchased, I like I wanted it, so I got it. Man, why is the video so low, man? I used to always watch YouTube and then catch be like, man, I can't get the right camera in here. And I learned that today. Anyway, let's get straight to it. First package. Try to avoid showing the what's that called? Your address and information and stuff. Yeah, that looks good. I ain't gonna lie. If I had to open this up off camera, I would have just Hulk Hogan. Oh. Our first package is some Gremlin socks. I think it's named Stripe or Spike. Like some of y'all might be too young to remember what Gremlins is, but I'm an 80s kid. I was born the last of the 80s, but yeah, it's part of my childhood right here, man. Yeah. That guy was a bad guy right there, man. Second package. Oh, it's the other pair of socks I ordered. It's his name was Gizmo. I got the gremlin on the foot. Yeah, Gizmo OG. I don't know why, man. Gizmo should've. I ain't gonna lie, I really would like to see what he look like as a gremlin. I think this stage right here is called a muckwide or something like that. Something like that, I don't remember, I ain't gonna lie. I really would like to see what he would look like as a gremlin. Would he be bad? Or would he look evil looking like Stripe or Spike? That boy had a mohawk, man, rockstar, man. This is what it said on this one. But yeah, that's two packages. Package number 3. Hey, if you're a kid watching this video, make sure your mom open up your package. Your parents open up your package, please. I got me old. I ain't gonna lie, I like Suge Knight. Like, I like the Death Row movement. I got me a Death Row t-shirt. You know, the baby dropped that song called Suge. Yeah. Make me like this shirt. I think this one too big for me though. I asked for extra large. Try it on, see. It just feel big as hell. But yeah. Next package. I don't know why, but I've been on a windbreaker kick. Like I've been buying all kind of windbreakers, and it's summertime. Like I don't know that's a good thing or a bad thing, but I bought this windbreaker. My favorite color is red and black. Most of the time I wear red all day. Like if you catch me in the street, I'm wearing black or red. Yeah. It's from Asia. It's like in Asia. Like normally in jackets and stuff I wear like a extra large. I had to get a 4X. So I remember from last time when I ordered a windbreaker, like I bought it. It say true to size, but then you read, like always read your description when you order from like Amazon or eBay. By the way, this is Amazon and eBay stuff. I don't know if I said that. This is a combination of both. Always read your description because it tells you like being shipped from China, being shipped from Bangkok, wherever. Runs 2 sizes smaller, runs 2 sizes bigger, or always get 1 size larger. I read always read the comments, like the reviews. They tell you everything you need to know. What package number we on, man? We got 1, 2, 3, 4. Package number 5. I really forgot I ordered this. But you know, like I just said, I'm an 80s baby. I was born in 89. So I got me an 80s baby t-shirt. You know what I'm saying? See, 80s baby with the cassette tape. A lot of people probably don't even know what a cassette tape is. When I was small as a kid, I used to take my sister boom box with a cassette tapes and hold down play and pause together, and they make it play like like chopped and screw. I love chopped and screw music, so I used to hold on, play, and pause, and when you push them down together, it play like very slow. Like, yeah, I can't believe I remember that. All right, I ain't gonna lie, I opened this box already because I was too anxious because I wanted to make sure it was right, so I had to go match up the parts. This is package number 5. Now, though, this one ain't gonna really be nothing to really look at, like, but it's something for my car to make sure the police don't get on my butt because they pull you over for brake lights. And my brake light keep on getting wet, so it keep burning out because it keep getting wet because my brake light is cracked. I put some glue on it. I try to avoid spending $128 on buying a new lens, and I extended it for a long period of time. I bought the car with a broken lens. Like it just had a crack in it though, but I didn't know water was getting into it until I looked at it and the light. Like when it rained, I look at it, it looked like a little aquarium in there, so it was burning my lights out. So yeah, I put some glue on it and some of that silicone glue also. I put super glue on it to lock the lens together, and then I put some silicone cork and stuff on it, which was clear, and it did its thing for a while. But I recently touched the light, and it's like, I want to say dry right. Like basically I could push it and crack it. Like it'll crack up like an eggshell. So yeah. I went on eBay. I looked on Amazon first, but then I went on eBay and found one for $27. It is used. It got a little dust on it, but it comes already assembled. You got the light bulbs. They got all the light bulbs in there, right here, right there, and right there. You see, like my light outside right now, it got like a crack right here and a crack right there, and I got glue on those parts and stuff. And when I push it like in certain areas right here, like I can push my finger through if I want and crack the whole thing into place. I avoided spending $128. I spent $27 on this. We'll be on package number 6. 2, 3, 4, 5. No, we're on package number 7. Now this one right here is very, very, very critical for me. Like, I bought some more socks. Who is this? That's one pair, and then the other pair is like the outfit of Chucky. It's Chucky's face on one pair, and then the good guy uniform. Then I bought another pair of socks. I don't know, I've been on a pair on a socks kick. Who is this guy? And then they got it. The other pair is like his also his clothing, his uniform that he wears. You know what I'm saying? But this is the bodybuilding section of the video for me. I'm lactose. I can't mess with I can't mess with stuff with milky. I used to be able to handle protein powders and stuff. I don't know what happened over me aging. Like my stomach got weak. I think it comes from me just eating bad stuff. Like I have like GERD where I eat too much spaghetti. Like I have like acid reflux. That's basically like GERD, like adult GERD. That's what it is. But yeah, like I can't eat certain stuff and lay down. Like I'm gonna throw up or have chest pains and stuff. Anyway, I bought some protein powder, man. It's by Celicor. Yeah, Celicor. This is the malted chocolate. Right now in the room, I have the cinnamon swirl, and I realize it don't make my stomach bubble and give me the bathroom parties, aka the worst couple of hours of your life until you empty all that out your body. I already knew it's good. I never had it, but Celicor, this stuff just smells good. I bought another one. They all come with like 28 servings. This one is chocolate chip cookie dough. And this one is the cookies and cream. If y'all want a review on this, I will definitely do that. I know they're gonna be good though. Hopefully it tastes different. Some of the comments I read, it said some of them taste the same. I mean, they taste the same, but they don't smell the same. Last thing. My little niece, she have like an iPhone 6S Plus or something like that, and she always wanted. She seen my clear case on my 10R, so I got her a clear case with her phone. She asked for it, so. And she's a good kid, man. She do her thing in school. I don't have no problems with her. She's not a wild girl, so why not? I wish I had an uncle. I wish my uncles bought me stuff and did stuff with me, like talking about. They did their little distant uncle thing, I guess you could say. They showed me love the way they knew how. But yeah, man. I hope y'all like my video. I do this, I ain't gonna lie, I shop whenever I get too bored, I have too much on my mind, or I'm stressing. I don't know, I just spend money. But I hope y'all like my video, man. I work hard for it. if you do all that working and you deal with stuff, you deal with aggravating customers or whatever, however you get your money, you earn your money, enjoy your money. But also don't mess over yourself. Save your bread to get you where you need to go, to buy this company, to do what you love, or to never have to work hard ever again for you or your kids or your future. Like, just make sure you set up life for you to enjoy. You only got one life to live, man. But you gotta enjoy stuff on the way. I forgot the little slogan is. It's like, all work and no play make Johnny a dull boy. Some name they put in. I think they put in whatever name you want. But they're all work and no play make Duty a dull boy. And I'm not about to be a dull boy. I'm about to enjoy my life. Stay tuned, man. I hope you like the video. Comment, subscribe, share. If you want to see more videos like this, every time I order some stuff, I'll let it pile up and open it up with y'all and be just as surprised as y'all will be. I hope y'all like it.